In the next decade, display technology holds immense potential. But who will truly define it? Not a mere concept, not just a laboratory project, but a production line officially cleared for mass production. China's first Gen 8.6 AMOLED production line, invested and built by BOE. Today, it is redefining the future of mid-sized OLED displays in China. It is not only the world's first FMM process line compatible with both flexible OLED and hybrid OLED, but also one of the most mature and highly automated mid-generation OLED lines globally. It is the first line to achieve mass production among China's same generation lines under construction, leading by a full product cycle. This production line adopts the industry-proven FMM, fine metal mask evaporation process, delivering unparalleled all-around advantages in production yield, manufacturing efficiency, and product quality. Backed by over a decade of technological refinement, this process has become the choice of numerous top-tier global brands. With this, BOE has completed the full loop from successful prototyping to high-quality, large-scale delivery, focusing on high-end, mid-sized OLED manufacturing. This line continuously pushes industry boundaries. It not only enables the large-scale mass production of two core high-end technologies, tandem and LTPO, but is also compatible with more cutting-edge OLED technologies to satisfy diverse high-end market demands, making displays more vibrant and transparent, with higher brightness, lower power consumption, and a longer lifespan. Powered by the BOE Blue Whale Display Large Model. This line establishes a new paradigm in AI manufacturing, featuring real-time data collection across all domains and seamless full-chain integration of core self-developed systems. AI deeply empowers the entire production process, driving improvements in both quality control and manufacturing yields, making manufacturing smarter, more precise, and more stable. Through multiple reliability tests and stringent quality control, BOE strives for perfection in the screens that we deliver. Green DNA is deeply embedded in the production line, with low-carbon manufacturing, driving full-chain sustainability. This is the eco-friendly commitment of high-end manufacturing. As the applications of OLED displays continue to expand, we are empowering our customers to seize the first-mover advantage in IT and other product iterations, bringing innovative display capabilities to an even wider array of terminal scenarios. The data talks. BOE's flexible OLED shipments have ranked #1 domestically and #2 globally in volume for multiple consecutive years. As of 2025, cumulative shipments have approached nearly 600 million units, leveraging this Gen 8.6 line as a strategic fulcrum in synergy with 3 established Gen 6 lines. BOE has built China's largest OLED display industry cluster, from following to leading, from participating in defining to setting the rules. This is not just catching up, but a monumental leap forward. BOE is driving the global OLED industry forward, stepping into the next chapter from right here. Grand visions, infinite possibilities. Here lies the answer.